I am here to tell you that you don't need a very big following on your social media platforms to start making money as a creator. Yes, that's right. In this video, I'm going to share a few ideas of how you can start making money. And, I want you to do further research into these ideas and see which one works best for you. But believe me, you can make money even with the smallest of followers. As long as you have an audience, guys, you can monetize it. So let's get started. Number one, affiliate marketing. I have been an affiliate manager for a very long time for a big e-commerce, and I can tell you for free that most of these affiliate marketers they're not the beauty influencers. We don't see them on social media much, yet they are able to monetize the audience that they have without even having to show themselves. Like someone just has maybe like a Facebook group or a Facebook page where they post different things, whether it's politics, news, etc, and they are able to be affiliates just because they have an audience. So affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing? So you get to earn commissions from a referral link, that is provided to you through that affiliate program. So like for Jumia, you would, ideally sign up, then log into the system, and then you'd be able to start creating links to say, like if they have a campaign like Jumia anniversary, for example, which was there a month ago, you'd be able to now start promoting that link so that people can shop. Okay, so maybe on that Facebook group, you're telling people there's Jumia anniversary, check out what they have, click on this link. When someone clicks on that link and ends up buying a product, you get a certain commission off that sale. Imagine, free, like effortless. It's so effortless. You didn't have to go create content. I didn't look for props, no. Just using your referral link, you can be able to make money. Now, Jumia is not the only one. There are so many affiliate platforms, including Amazon. So right now, I know the world has opened up a bit more, and people are able to shop things from Amazon directly to Kenya. So you can actually start sharing your Amazon links. Okay, say you have even like your iPhone. Say you have a phone. Of course, buying it from outside is even much better, I think, especially if you're buying it from like the legit store. Okay, or say even like a camera. If you have a camera that can be bought on Amazon, you can link it, and if someone buys it, you get a commission. Okay, you get like a cut from that sale. So there are so many affiliate programs, and I'll be sharing more. I think I'm going to just compile all the affiliate programs I know of that you can join, and even like Lenny Venture. You guys have probably seen Lenny Venture, the guy who's selling ring lights and so on and so forth. I asked him and he told me he does have an affiliate program, but like on TikTok. So that's someone else you can reach out to. Guys who sell camera equipment, sound equipment, you can reach out to them and ask them, like, do you have an affiliate program? Maybe you use their tripod. You can tell them, I want to promote this tripod. Can I join this affiliate program? So affiliate marketing, in fact, if you listen to most like YouTubers who are making a lot of money on YouTube, there's the money they are making from YouTube, but like it does not compare to the much that they are making with affiliate marketing. So you can monetize your audience with affiliate marketing. And I think even Kilimall, I don't know much about Kilimall, but I think I also saw that they have an affiliate program. You can maybe look further into that. Things like TubeBuddy. If you're a YouTuber, you know what TubeBuddy is. TubeBuddy helps you like rank your videos highly, like gives you suggestions of titles to write so that you rank highly. They also have an affiliate program. So if someone clicks on, your affiliate link to download TubeBuddy, you get a commission. So there are so many ways. Stop waiting for brands to find you. You can make money with affiliate marketing. Number two, I have seen people selling their stories. I think we all have. And I think Edgar Barre, props to him. I think he was the first person I ever saw, monetizing his stories through the market days. And at first people bashed him. I remember Jalango bashing him, but everybody started realizing this guy was making a lot of money. I remember maybe back then, I don't know whether he used to charge like 5K or 2K, but like if you counted on those Wednesdays when he'd do market days, he made a lot of money. So even for you, if you have a substantial audience, I'm not saying like start selling your stories with 500 followers. You can try, but like somewhere like if you have like a 10K, a nice 10K or a 8K, there you're heading to 10K, you can actually tell people even as little as 500. You just need to, you have a platform God has given you, you have numbers, monetize it. So I have seen, I think now every influencer you can think of, most of them really monetize their stories. Murugimonyi does market days. I think I've seen a few people that really, a few people will do, if you want to advertise on stories, you can do it at, I don't know, 1,000 bob or 2,000. So you can also benchmark on the rates. So if these guys with the big numbers are charging 1,000 bob or 2,000 for a story, maybe for you 500 would be good. So you can now advertise it on your stories. Tell people, hi, I am offering my stories. If you'd like to advertise, show people how many stories views you get on average, and anything about above like 1,000 heading like 3,000, that's very monetizable. Those are many eyeballs. Like if you can imagine 10%, if 10% of those people buy, that's 100 people. That's good business for the businesses who would like to work with you. So don't be afraid. Don't just be there in your cocoon. Don't get depressed. You don't know how to monetize. You can monetize your stories if you have a good following, and not just stories, guys. Even posts, but I don't even want to talk about posts. YouTube. I have seen people like Nairofi. Nairofi is like the OG for monetizing her YouTube. And YouTube, I don't even mean the videos, the community posts. You see the community posts, and I'm gonna put a screenshot where the community posts are. She actually monetizes that. And like if you want to advertise with her, like say you're an upcoming influencer or content creator, she sells that as ad space. Guys, remember, and I've told you guys this before, in the past, billboards were everything, TV ads were everything. But right now, there are so many places you can advertise, so many that will get eyeballs. Yeah. So think beyond. Yeah. And I think for Nairobi, that was the first time I had ever seen anyone monetizing their community posts on YouTube. Yeah. So of course, and if you have a YouTube channel and you have good views, and by good views I mean like 1,000, I think that's something that is worth telling someone you can do. Yeah. Then now this one is a bit like hustler. This is like hustling. But listen, guys, here we are trying to make the best of what God has given us as we wait to grow, as we wait for the big brands. Say you're really good at like taking pictures and taking videos. I don't know where you live. I don't know where you live in your locality. Okay. Most businesses right now, they really want to go online. Like if they can make a sale online and still make a sale at the shop, it's a win-win situation. Okay. So maybe you can go to like the salon in your estate, and a popular salon, maybe they don't have a social media presence. You can actually go and reach out to them and tell them, hey, I can do this, and don't overcharge. Like remember, they were not looking for you before you went. So you have to kind of like, you're easing them into why they should hire you, why they should give you work. So you can tell them, this is my profile, I have this kind of audience, I've been able to grow from 0 to say 10K, and these are your competitors. You can show them like competitors of other maybe salons, how they are doing their pictures, how they're doing their videos, and you can tell them, listen, we can use social media to also help you get clients that are targeted to, say, if you live in Buruburu, like in Buruburu, we can be able to target people who are online and they live in Buruburu to know about your salon. Yeah. So you can tell them, I'll help you take the pictures and the videos. Most of you, I know, some of you maybe are working, but like on Saturdays, you can sacrifice that. On Saturdays, you spend time at the salon, you're taking videos and pictures of hair, posting on the social media platform for this salon, and so on and so forth. Any business you can think of that you think would thrive on social media. You say someone has like a beauty shop, and you can tell them they don't just have to be there at the store. They can go online and you can help them do that. Yeah, like you are content creators. Don't just think about how you can make content for yourself. Think about how can you also help other people create content with the skills that you have and get paid for it. Yeah. So yeah, in a nutshell, I think those are like my main tips. We said affiliate marketing. That one, guys, is big. It's a gold mine. I won't lie to you guys. And the commissions are really, really good. Because like Jumia, I know one of their highest commissions is 8%. Yeah. So you can imagine 8% of something. And I think it's like for a category like fashion. So, and fashion things are not cheap. So say like a shoe that is 1,000 bob, you're getting 8% of that. That's quite some good money. Yeah. That's a lot of good money. And it adds up. Most people don't buy just one thing from, say, Amazon. You just don't go to Amazon to buy a lotion. You buy many things, or to Jumia to just buy a lotion. You'll buy a couple of things. So affiliate marketing, for sure, for sure, for sure. You can sell your stories, yeah, your stories, your posts, your community tab if you're big on YouTube. Um, then of course you can reach out to the local brands around you, small businesses, and ask them if you can help them create content for their businesses. Those are my ideas. Let me know if you have any other ways of making money as a content creator. Of course, there's the online writing world, but like for me, it's not. Is it really creative? I'm really not sure if it's creative writing, but like that's a different world. I'm just talking about you're a content creator, you like taking pictures, videos, creating good content, how you can monetize that besides waiting for like a brand to reach out to you for a partnership. Let me know if this was helpful, guys. Please remember to subscribe. I want us to get to 1,000 follow subscribers. Yes, we are at 1,000 everywhere else except YouTube. Can you imagine? Like on TikTok, we already crossed over to 1,000 plus. On Instagram, the same thing. YouTube is a bit slow, but I know we'll get there. So please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe and share this video with someone who will find it helpful. I'll see you around. My posting schedule is now going to be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So 3 times a week on YouTube, you will be seeing me. We're going to learn a lot and we're going to have fun. So till the next one, bye.